Okay, like let's say I give you y equal to 3x squared. I want to using the first principle, right? So how I want to do it? You know that the 3x squared actually is something like this kind of the curve, right? So we know that this one is a x, this one is a y. If I want to find the gradient, I must having the straight line, right? Okay, I must draw the straight line, and then this one I will call as a small change in x. So this one will be x plus delta x. And then this one automatically small change in y. So this one will be y plus delta y, right? Okay, so means that this one, your y equal to 3x squared, I call as a equation 1. Okay, so just like I mentioned before, your step 1, you need to substitute x plus delta x, y plus delta y into the equation, right? So it means that your y, you change to y plus delta y. Your x, you change to x plus delta x squared. Okay. And then because this one, they're having the square, right? Means that I can try to do the expansion. Okay, so y plus delta y equal to 3 bracket x plus delta x plus delta x. So means that this one I'm trying to do the expansion. X times x, you get the x squared. X times delta, you just write down x delta x. Don't write down delta x squared, it's the different thing. Okay? Write down x delta x，不要写 delta x squared，不同的东西啊。Okay? And then this one times this one, you also x delta x. This one times this one, you get the delta x squared. Boleh. And then y plus delta y equal to this one times 3x squared. This one time, you get the 6x delta x. This one time, you get the 3 delta x squared. Okay. Boleh. Nama 一个步骤。So remember, step 1. And then now we're going to the step 2. Your step 2, I mentioned before, we need to eliminate the y, right? So normally users using the equation 2 minus equation 1. So this one equation 2. So y minus y in left. 3x squared minus 3x squared in left. So you left the delta y. 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared. Boleh. Okay. Number. Then we go into the step 3. So step 3, I mentioned before, you need to try to divide the delta x, right? Okay, so both sides divide the delta x. So it means that this one will be delta y or delta x. This one divide left 6x. This one divide left 3 delta x, right? Boy. And now after that, step 4. X, your limit on both sides. So your limit okay. So this one you will get the answer given the x. So this one 6x. This one delta x is equal to 0. So your answer should be 6x. So this one will be the answer. Correct? Okay. Like copy down second thing. Ux is a gradient. Okay, you see when I give you y equal to 4 over x squared, right? How you want to do the first principle? I know that this one is the equation 1, right? Just like I already mentioned before, when you want to do the first principle, you have to sub what? X plus delta x, y plus delta y, right? So means that this one will become y plus delta y 4 over x plus delta x plus. So this one will be equation 2. Okay, because this one is a fraction, right? No need expand first. 它是分数的话，不要打开先了。Okay, and now we're going to step 2. So your step 2, I already mentioned, is 2 divided by 2 minus 1, right? So your y and y is cut, but this one is not the same, we cannot cut. So I just write down delta y 4 over x plus delta x minus with 4 over x squared. Okay? So now I need to try to make it the denominator is the same. 我要把它的妈妈弄一样，怎样才能把它妈妈弄一样呢？ How you want to make the denominator is the same? So this one you need to time x squared and x squared, right? And then this one you need to time x plus delta x squared, right? Okay, 互乘呢? So this one you get the 4x squared minus this one you get the x plus delta x squared. And then this one become x squared x plus delta x squared. Okay? And after that, we're trying to do the expansion. So this one minus 4, this one x plus delta x square means repeat twice. So this one don't need to expand and you just put like this. Okay? And then we are trying to do the expand one by one. Try. So x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. Okay? Then expand. Okay? So this one can cut. Okay? And one hand. And after that, our next step is divide by delta x, right? So delta y or delta x. So this one divide means I can left x, this one left or delta x. Huh? Okay. Can So this one divided by delta x, this one divided by delta x because both sides. Okay, 子在分子以外啊。And then after that, add up the limit. Going to 0. So your limit. Okay, so this one negative 8x. Hả? 因为我左手除，右手除嘛，所以除到来它换成是除掉它的分子嘛，分母没有除了。Okay 啊 ？So this one you become u dx. So negative 8x minus 4, this one becomes 0. X squared, x plus becomes 0. Okay? Then you're getting the answer is the dy dx negative 8x. So x squared, x power 4. So dy dx will be okay. So this one is how you want to find first principle. How you want to find the first principle.